Hi guys, my name is Aishwarya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my winter time morning skincare routine. So this is a routine that I've incorporated in my day-to-day life since like a few days, and this is a routine which suits me really well, and I have like oily and acne prone skin. So if you have similar skin type, make sure you watch this video for like helpful skincare tips here and there. And other than that, yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell so that you never miss an update from me. And let's get started. Okay, so let's get started with our skincare. So first and foremost, I really need to clean my hands because since the time that I've had my bath, I've touched a lot of things. I've like set up for the shoot, so I have to wash my hands. But rather than washing my hands, I'm just going to use this Dettol sanitizer, and I mean it works the same way and if not better. Whenever I'm doing my skincare, I usually really like to just sanitize my hands beforehand before like touching my face. So I use this Dettol sanitizer like all the time, hence the reason that it is like almost finished. So yeah, so I really need to like get my skincare right now because my skin is feeling very pulled kind of, since it's winter and it's dry, and because my dermat treatment, it is like feeling dry. So yeah, so I really have to get started. So to give you guys a backstory of my skin, basically, so I have oily acne prone skin and I have like huge pores which you cannot see mostly because of like the camera and distance and lights, and my skin looks better on camera than it does in person. So that's the backstory of that. I mean, right now I think you might think that I have like a very glowy kind of a skin, but I really don't, especially right now that I don't have any skincare on. So that's that. Also, I got my skin treatment done from a dermat recently, like during September or October. So before that, I had like a really terrible skin. I had acne scarring. So my dermat helped me get rid of like the acne and acne scarring. So right now my skin is in like healing phase kind of. I mean, it has almost healed, but it's still a long way to go for like a really nice skin. Right now the treatment is over, like all the medicines except one like spot treatment cream, except that everything else is over. So I'm using that during night only, and for the rest of the skincare part, I've started like experimenting with like different stuff here and there. So this is the routine which I've formed like from trial and error in these few days since like the treatment got over. So in no way shape or form this is like something that I'm telling you to do, like do this and you'll have like a great skin. Skincare is not about that. So I mean, I've recently started getting into skincare. But yeah, if you have oily and acne prone skin, these products might suit you. But if you want to try any of these products, so make sure you do a patch test so that you know that you're not allergic to any of these products. So let's get started. So I've washed my face with the Lakme face wash. I've put a picture right here. So this is like a gentle face wash. Basically, it is like cream based face wash. It does clean your skin, but it isn't too harsh. So that's the face wash I use like in the morning. So after that, I'm using this Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. Now this is a really great range by Plum. I've used the face wash, I'm using the face mask which is again in this routine. So I really like this green tea range and I'm excited to try more products from this range because it really suits me well. So I'm just gonna take this toner on my hand and I'm gonna start patting it in with the use of my fingers, with the help of my fingers. I know a lot of people like to use cotton pad with the toner, but I'm not one of them. I'm just gonna massage it well in my fingers and gonna just pat it in my skin. This toner has glycolic acid as one of its ingredients. So glycolic acid is really great for your skin cells turnover, and it just basically like renews your skin. So it is really good for that. Also it has like green tea, so this range is basically green tea range, and green tea is a great antioxidant for your skin. Also it like helps with the aging factor, it helps like with treating acne, it helps with moisturizing your skin well, it helps with like inflammation and redness which I have like a little bit of going around my nose, so it's great for that. So make sure you like research your ingredients well before you like purchase anything. You can easily find like an ingredient list on the website or even on Nika. So I'm just gonna let it sit for a while. You don't want to like keep layering your products like continuously and rapidly. You want to let them sit and get absorbed into your skin well. So till the toner dries down, I'm just gonna use this Baby Lips lip balm because my lips are feeling dry. since it's winter. So I'm just gonna use that. I've tried a lot of lip balms, but nothing suits me better than baby lips. I have tried like every other range of baby lips, and all of them, I mean almost all of them, suit me really well. They moisturize my lip really well, and I'm just glad these exist. You can see that they are turning pink by the second, and it is kind of an ugly pink, I'm not gonna lie, but it does moisturize my lips, so there's nothing I can complain about. Also, I drink like 2 to 3 liters water every day, so water is a really important factor. Also, I work out 6 days per week, so like almost every day. So that's another factor which helps with the glow for your skin. Basically, working out like reduces toxins from your skin or something like that. But I think it does help a bit. I mean, I don't know if it helps with my weight, but at least it helps with my skin, so that's a plus. So next step is moisturizer, and for moisturizer I use this Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer. So the key ingredients in this moisturizer is hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Also, other than that, it also has niacinamide. I read the ingredient list. So hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, niacinamide are some things which are really great for your skin. So hyaluronic acid helps with hydration. It protects outer layer. I've done my research and I'm reading from this. So hyaluronic acid is great for hydration. It protects outer layer of your skin. It tightens your skin. It stimulates skin regeneration. Vitamin E is great for aging. It complements SPF. It reduces appearances of scar, which apparently I need because I have like a lot of scarring going on. And niacinamide helps improving like enlarged pores, uneven skin texture, dullness. So basically all good things are in this super light gel. Okay. So I've heard a lot of people saying that this is a dupe for Clinique's Moisture Surge. For some reason I cannot say it. Clinique's Moisture Surge. Clinique's Moisture Surge. So I'm just gonna take this in between my fingers and again do the same patting motion. You don't wanna like beat your skin up. I used to do that and I have it on a lot of my videos that I like, but I've stopped doing that. I've started becoming more and more gentle and loving with my skin. I'm hoping that the skin cooperates and shows me the same love. So I'm just gonna start like gently like apply the moisturizer all over my face, on my neck as well. I didn't used to like cover my neck before, but I've read somewhere that it is equally important. So this skincare routine works really well when you're at home, but it also works really well when you're going out. Just make sure you apply all of this like 30 minutes prior to leaving your home, so that your skin has ample time to absorb everything and it just doesn't drip out. You can see that instantly my skin is looking very glowy and dewy kind of because of the moisturizer. I really like using this moisturizer as like a day moisturizer. Okay, so the next step in our skincare routine is sunscreen. So I'm using Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. So it's a really nice sunscreen. It has like SPF 50. It doesn't leave like a white cast on your skin. It doesn't make your skin feel sticky. And you can just use it on its own on the days where you don't want to wear makeup and just wear this and just you'll be good to go. So if you want to take like one thing out of this whole video, take this sunscreen, or like any sunscreen for that matter. Please make sure you never skip sunscreen, and sunscreen is a really important. I didn't used to like sunscreen before, but ever since I read the importance of sunscreen, I couldn't step out of my house without a sunscreen. I've made a point to use this in my daily routine, and if you want to take like one thing out of this whole video, just take sunscreen out of this. Not this sunscreen, make sure you apply any sunscreen. Sunscreen should be like an inskippable step in your skincare routine, and not just for like girls or women, boys, men, everyone should wear the sunscreen every day for the rest of their life. You can use this sunscreen, you can use any other sunscreen which you like or suits you, but this will suit a lot of skin tones since it's non-sticky. So I've heard that sun rays really damage your skin. It makes you age faster. Also, it like darkens your scarring. So those are the things that we don't want in our life. That's the reason you should apply sunscreen, and tell everyone you know and love that please use a sunscreen. So we are almost done with our skincare. We just have one step remaining. This is like a kind of 6-step routine, and it is not really. It doesn't take a lot of time. Basically, it takes like 10 to 15 minutes. I know a lot of people don't have 10 to 15 minutes in the morning, but if you really want to have like a good skin, this is something that you have to do. So you can instantly see that after my skincare, my skin looks instantly better. It looks hydrated, it looks glowy, it looks dewy, it looks like it has life inside it, and I just love the feeling of like my skin after skincare. Okay, so for the last step in our skincare, we have this plum green tea revitalizing face mist. It is from the same green tea range as our toner, and it is really great for your skin, but it is totally optional and skippable. You can skip this step if you think that this is a little bit extra. I just like to just go the extra mile and use this. I just really like using this mist, and it just freshens up your whole face. I don't know why I'm on the same mood, but I mean it also does freshen up your mood. So you can carry this with your like in your office bag or something, and whenever you feel dull or your skin feels dull, you can just use this and just spray it all over your face for like instant freshness. So I'm gonna do that. You just want to shake it before you use. So again, I'm gonna wait for like a while and just let it sit on my skin and just let my skin absorb all the goodness from all of the routines. So we are done with our routine. My skin looks better, it feels better, and I just love the feeling of like hydrated skin. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Like this video, comment down below on which of these products you wanna try or you have already tried and your small reviews about it, so that we can exchange skincare tips. Share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Toodles.